classification of polynomials. Here polynomials are classified into two types based on power, based on terms. Here, based on powers, polynomials are divided into linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial, biquadratic polynomial. Based on terms, polynomials are classified into monomial, binomial, trinomial, multinomial. Let us learn about this all polynomials. Based on degree, first one, linear polynomial. The definition of the linear polynomial is the degree of polynomial is 1. Such kind of polynomial is called as linear polynomial. Let me give an example of linear polynomial. If you are having an example like this, 5 plus x, what is the power of x here? If you are not having anything, we will take it as 1. Here, the polynomial whose highest degree is 1 is called as linear polynomial. If you are having like this only x is having power 1, so it is called as a linear polynomial. If you are having like this x plus y, what is x power here? 1. What is y power? 1. This is also called as linear polynomial. Now let us go for quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Here, quadratic polynomial definition is same as linear only. But here the degree of polynomial is 1. But in a quadratic equation, what we will write? The degree of polynomial is 2. Then such type of polynomial is called as quadratic polynomial. Here I am not writing a definition. I will give you some examples to understand you very clearly. If you are having x square plus x, what is the highest power of this polynomial? Is square 2. So we will call it as a quadratic polynomial. If you are having like this xy is also quadratic polynomial. Why? Because xy is called as x into y. What is the power of x you are having here? 1. What is the power of y you are having here? 1. 1 plus 1. Whenever you are having into, you add the powers. 1 plus 1. What is the power here? 2. So we can call such xy is also as quadratic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Here the degree of the equation is 3, then we will call such type of polynomial as a cubic polynomial. I will give you an example to understand you very clearly. If you are having x cube plus xy plus x, what is the highest power in this one? You are having x into y. Here is power 1, power 1. Here 1 plus 1, how much? 2. Here is 3. What is the x power here? 1. So, what is the highest power in this polynomial? Is 3. We will call highest power is 3. So, we will call it as cubic polynomial. I can say this is also cubic polynomial. Now, let me have one more example. X plus y cube is there. Can I say this is a cubic polynomial? Yes. Why? Because here x power 1 is there, y cube is there. So, if highest power is 3, then we can call it as a cubic polynomial. Now, biquadratic polynomial. Biquadratic polynomial. If the degree of the polynomial is 4, then we will call such kind of polynomial as a biquadratic polynomial. Let me have some examples here. X power 3 plus x square plus x power 4 is there. What is the highest power here? Highest power is 4. So, if the highest power is 4, then we will call such type of polynomial as a biquadratic polynomial. I will give you one more example here. X cube plus y power 4 is there. What is the highest power here? 3 is there, here 4 is there. If the highest power is 4, then such kind of polynomial is called as a biquadratic polynomial. General forms. First of all, linear polynomial. The general form of linear polynomial is ax plus b. This b is called as a constant, x is called as a variable, a is called as a coefficient, and here x variable is having a power 1. So, we will call such type of polynomial as a linear polynomial. Quadratic polynomial, general form. Quadratic polynomial. What is quadratic polynomial here? A x square plus bx plus c is the general form of quadratic polynomial, where the c is called as a constant, b is called as coefficient of x, a is called as coefficient of x square, this x is called as a variable, and the degree of a polynomial is 2. Cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Here ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is a general form of cubic polynomial, where this d is called as a constant, c is called as a coefficient of x, b is called as a coefficient of x square, a is called as a coefficient of x cube, and x is called as a variable, and the degree of polynomial is 3. Now fourth one, biquadratic polynomial. Biquadratic polynomial. General form is ax power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e is called as general form of biquadratic polynomial. Here a is called coefficient of x power 4, b is called coefficient of x cube, c is called coefficient of x square, d is called coefficient of x, e is called as a constant, where this x is called as a variable. The highest power is 4, so we will call it as a biquadratic polynomial based on terms. First one, monomial. Binomial. Trinomial. Multinomial. Expression having only one term is called as monomial. The expression which is having only one term is called as monomial. I can give you an example. If you are having x is the expression. Only it is having one term whenever you are having, that is called as a monomial. Now, if you are having 3 is a monomial. Why? Because 3 is only one expression. So, one expression wherever we are having, that expression we will call it as a monomial. Expression having 2 terms are called as binomial. Expression having 3 terms are called trinomial. The expression having more than 3 terms is called as a multinomial. Here expression will have 2 terms. Here expression will have 3 terms. Here expression will have more than 3 terms. More than 3 terms. Such type of expression is called as a multinomial. I will give you an example so that you can understand you very clearly. If you are having like this, x plus y, here how many terms are there here? 2. If 2 terms are there, it belongs to binomial. If you are having an expression with 3 terms, this is the expression. This expression will have 3 terms. If you are having an expression with 3 terms, is called as a trinomial. A expression which is having more than 3 terms, we will call it as a multinomial. Example I will give you here. X cube plus 2x square plus 3x plus 4. If you are having, this is the expression with how many terms? You calculate it here. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 terms are greater than 3. So we will call it as a multinomial. Important points. Important points. First one, an algebraic expression. An algebraic expression with all coefficients 0, all coefficients 0 are called 0 of polynomial. 0 of polynomial. If you are having a algebraic expression with all coefficients 0, means if you are having 0, here all coefficients 0 into x cube, 0 into x square, 0 into x plus 0. If you are having like that kind of things, wherever you are having, that is called as a 0 of a polynomial. The 0 of a polynomial will have all coefficients 0, like this: 0 into x cube plus 0 into x square plus 0 into x plus 0. You may have 0 into x4 like that also. This is also a polynomial, but we will call such kind of polynomial as a 0 of a polynomial. Here we cannot define degree of 0 of a polynomial. Degree of 0 polynomial. Can you define the degree of polynomial? If I can say 0 into x cube only lasts? No, I can keep 0 into x power 4 also. If I can say x power 4 only last? No. X power 5, 0 into x power 5, 0 into x power 6, like that it will so on, it will go. So we don't know the power of a zero polynomial. So here I am saying here, we cannot define degree of zero polynomial. The degree of non-zero constant is 0. Except 0, if you are having any constant here, so I mentioned here non-zero constant. If you are having 2, what is the degree of this 2? Can I write this 2 as 2 into x power 0? What is this 2 into x power 0? Something power 0 is always 1. What you will get here? 2. What is the degree of a non-zero constant? Is 0. If they are asking to find out the zero of a polynomial, find the zero of polynomial p of x is equal to x minus 3. And this is the question they given. How to find out a zero of a polynomial? Let us see now. Here, look at here, what this p of x indicates means polynomial with variable x. If you are having x here, you will have x here. If you are having in the place of x, if you are having y, p of y, polynomial of variable y is equal to y minus 3 you will have. If you are having polynomial with variable z is equal to z minus 3 you will have. Whenever they are asking to find out the zero of a polynomial, at that time, we will keep p of x is equal to 0. Let p of x is equal to 0. Why? Because 0 of the polynomial they are asking to find out. So we will do p of x is equal to 0. What is p of x? They given in a question. X minus 3 is equal to 0. You transpose this minus 3 to here. What you will get here? Plus 3 you will get. X is equal to 3. What is the zero of a polynomial here? 3. Means if you are substituting in the place of x3, you will get answer 0. Thank you.
If you like this video, share, like, subscribe to my channel.